Show the camera. Imagine being vegan for 4 years and you see that inside like that, what you gonna think?
Hey guys, welcome back. And for those that are new here, welcome. My name is Stephanie and this is my sister Leslie.
Hello, I'm back.
So she is back and very soon, I know, but I thought about like changing it up. You guys have seen me review this brand before and I was like, you know what? Let me get some recruits and let me see their opinion on the products as well. So here today, Leslie and I are gonna be reviewing Bunny James' new box, and it's actually filled with vegan jerky. Like,
I was like, jerky.
like, as you know, or if you don't know, we are both vegan, so that's why we were excited to give it a try. I've actually been wanting to find a vegan jerky brand. Leslie doesn't really like jerky, so this is going to be very interesting to see. But I don't know, like I've been really wanting to try, but like to be honest, they've been like super expensive every time I see them in the store. So when I found out Bunny James is doing a whole box about it, I was like, count me in, I want to try it all. So I
save some money.
Right, exactly. So that's why. So if you guys are interested in getting a box, stay tuned. I will be sharing my code in just a bit. But if you do want to check them out right now, their link is down below. But before we get into it, don't forget to hit that big red button down below to join this amazing community. And let's get into it. Okay guys, so we haven't opened this box yet, so it's a complete surprise. So let's see what we got. I'm actually really excited.
Yeah.
Like, Leslie has tried their snacks out. Like, after I open it, she always eats all my snacks.
Yes, all the leftovers. I'm a middle child, I'm used to the hand-me-down.
Let's see. Wow, look how filled up it is. It's actually really filled. Like, they have a lot of stuff. And then, if you guys haven't seen before, but they do add their cards in here. All right, I guess let's try, I don't know which one.
We should try this one. So I've never heard of fruit jerky before, and this sounds so cool.
This is, I have a one whole organic mango, and she has
1.5 of an organic pineapple.
So these are kind of cool. The name brand Soli.
Yeah.
So this one, and this is how it looks from behind. So it looks like jerky.
Yeah, it looks like jerky, but like fruit.
Yeah.
Literally what it's called, fruit jerky. So.
All right.
Let's see. It says peel.
Wow, look, when you peel it, it says on the side, you just ate one whole mango with a thumbs up.
Ate 1/2 of a whole
And that's
pineapple.
like so motivational.
I'm like, wow.
Wow.
So I guess we're gonna just break it and try each other's like jerky.
Right. So let's just break it.
Are you ready? Maybe I should take a smaller piece just in case I don't like it.
It's all right.
All right.
All right.
Yellow.
Cheers.
Oh.
It tastes like candy.
I feel like I just bit into pineapple.
That one kind of tastes like pineapple.
This one tastes like pineapple?
That one don't taste like mango.
Oh boy.
I like this one better. Right? What does that taste like?
It tastes like baby food.
That's actually really good though. It's not bad.
I like that one.
Yeah, I love the pineapple. 70 calories. That's not bad.
I will eat this in college every day.
this
one,
yeah, I don't know why it tastes like that.
It tastes like baby food. Like when I ate that, I was like, what am I eating? Like, I'm eating pineapple. This one is like, what am I eating? Like,
yeah.
Like,
trying to figure it out. All right, next one is Hickory Smoke. So this is Snack Jack, a plant-based jerky made from jackfruit. All right, well,
jackfruit.
Let's see how that comes out.
Okay, I haven't had jackfruit, so I guess having it in jerky should.
It's only 40 calories.
Okay, open that hoe up.
So let's see. We're gonna try it together. Let's smell it. The smell is like.
It smells like barbecue.
Really strong.
Yeah.
This is really jackfruit. Wow. All right. So, cheers. Cheers to you guys.
What am I eating? I feel like I'm eating rubber with flavor on it.
It's like not disgusting, but the texture is way off from me.
The texture feels like I'm chewing rubber with literal barbecue on it. Like, I don't know how to feel about
Like
it.
the taste, that barbecue Hickory Smoked is actually really good.
Yeah.
But that's the first, right? I don't think I've ever had jackfruit.
Yeah. I don't know if jackfruit is supposed to be like that, like hard, but
I don't know. That one,
I don't know about this one. I think it has potential.
right. I feel like, exactly. I feel like the texture is the only thing that really throws that off.
Yeah.
So, all right. We tried it though. So.
Yeah, we tried.
So now the next one is, oh, so this is the one I saw, remember, at Giant's? I was gonna buy this one, but it was like kind of expensive. Primal Spirit.
I mean,
Vegan Jerky Teriyaki. Oh, I like teriyaki.
I don't know if this one's gonna be bad, but I don't know if it's gonna be good either. So only one way to find out.
So that's how it looks. So let's see. All right. So.
Show the camera. I'm being vegan for 4 years and you see that inside like that, what you gonna think?
It does look like real jerky. There you go. All right.
Why you gave me the bigger piece?
Cheers.
Okay.
This is actually pretty good.
This is really good.
Wow.
To the point, I feel bad for like judging it. Wow. I would go in for second.
That's really good.
That is so good.
That sauce too is really good. Thumbs up all the way. Let's put that on the side.
I would literally eat another bite of this one.
No, I don't think so. Wow, look, we got a whole bag.
They really hooked us up.
Yeah, like, and this is the thing, like, some subscription boxes, you might get, like, little samples of things, like, right?
Like
we
4
get,
items. Like.
Yeah, and even that, like, Bunny James, like, they really pack your box. You get a lot for your money. And I know this adds up to more than what the box is worth. Like, I know for a fact those snacks that we've ate, like, right? They're super expensive.
They're super expensive.
So, like, this is pretty cool. And they give you big, like, look how big this bag is, you know? Like,
they didn't give us no two to try. They gave us the whole bag.
Yeah, the whole bag. Like, they didn't give us samples. So, this is banana jerky. And quick disclaimer. I am not a fan of bananas too much. I don't really eat a lot of bananas.
But I am a fan.
Yeah, so I don't know if like, my personal opinion on this will be, like, the best, but that's why we have Leslie here.
Yes.
She loves bananas, so if it tastes good, then, you know. So this is Wild Joy Goods.
Okay.
Whoop, as I drop it. So this is 100 calories per ounce.
Oh, okay.
Wow, that was very short. It smells like plantains.
Girl, plantain.
No, I know, but I mean the sweet plantains.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm just gonna...
It does look like sweet plantain.
It does, right? Wow,
Honey James, what are you telling us? How you knew? We Dominican, we love it. Are you ready?
Right. I'm ready.
Oh, what the hell? I'm sorry.
No.
Nah, you're not telling us anything. You're not telling us anything.
No, I'm sorry. I don't like bananas. Don't put it back in the bag. Yeah, no.
It's gonna be a no for me.
What did it taste like?
Not what I expected. Like nothing close. It didn't even taste like banana.
Yeah, it didn't taste like plantain. I don't know what it tastes like, honestly.
It tasted like disappointment. And disasters. Like, that's like 2 ways to describe it.
Alright, I'm kind of upset. I went into that knowing I wasn't gonna like it, but then when I smelled it, I was like, ooh, I'm gonna like this. And then I was disappointed.
The whole way through, I was like, I'm gonna like this. I'm gonna like this.
So,
the same brand.
Oh yeah, look. So Primal Spirit Vegan Jerky. This one's hot and spicy.
That describes me. If I was food, I would be this.
So that's how it looks in the back.
Hot, spicy,
So
sweet,
this is the brand that we actually did like. So this one's a little bit
like that?
thicker.
Why I feel like that?
I don't know. Okay. No, cheers. Cheers. That's not bad.
It tastes like those little salchicha dogs that we eat. The little sausage.
Oh, yeah.
The tiny sausages.
Oh my god, yeah. This is made from mushroom.
Oh.
That's why the texture is like that.
Mm.
There's these vegan sausages.
Who's the maker?
Something Farms.
Yeah,
I don't know.
Daily Farms or no?
No.
That sounds like something like not vegan.
Yeah, no, it's Something Farms. I don't know, but it's in a little yellow package, and they're little sausages.
Yes.
And
They're
this
so good.
tastes exactly like that. You are absolutely right.
Yeah, the little
Like-
they're spot on.
Yeah.
And you don't even need to cook it. You just need to buy the jerky.
Right, and that's it. So this is actually really
That
good.
was good.
Right?
I'll touch upon this one again.
Yeah.
I love this brand.
Yeah, that brand is really good. Like I said, I've seen them before and I didn't get them, and now I'm like, ooh, it wasn't meant to be. I was supposed to try it here for
Yes, here.
Bunny James. So now, next, Perky Jerky. Oh, they're perky. Plant-based jerky. Tasty teriyaki. We like teriyaki.
Yes.
What is this from? 70 jerky isn't like bad in calories. It's actually a really good snack, right? Like,
Yeah,
the
and
calories.
it's not packaged with all that other
Right.
bad stuff.
I don't know.
This looks like really healthy.
Yeah.
Open it up.
Oh look, it's made with brown sugar pineapple juice. Soy powder.
Finna eat it.
All right, so this is how it looks. Sorry guys, I just got very intrigued. Like, I'm just so amazed on how brands can make things like this, you know?
And it has like no fat, no saturated fat, like 7 grams of protein. Hello.
So let's see. Let's see.
eat it.
Let's eat it. Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I have an ugly chew face because when they're hard.
This is actually good. That's really good. I actually really like this. I like the other one still, the other teriyaki, but this one's good.
I like the aftertaste, but chewing because I'm not used to like that structure. I'm so used to like tofus and tempeh being so soft. Like I chew it weird because that's like it feels so weird, but this is really good.
Yeah, I like the flavoring of this.
Yeah.
It's not like harsh either. Like a lot of them have like the harsh aftertaste,
Right.
but this one, the aftertaste is like really good.
It's
Like
very
I'm
subtle.
actually really, I'm impressed with this. It says best tasting jerky. I don't know if it's the best, but like it's good. It's really good
But it's
though.
good.
Yeah, so
It's good for the
thumbs up to them. So now, last but not least, wow, we emptied out that box.
Yes.
So, oh, this one looks good. This is sweet barbecue. I love sweet barbecue.
I love my BBQ.
So Noble Jerky, vegan jerky, marinated and seasoned. Oh.
It looks so good. I just want the whole piece. Don't even break it. Just give me a whole piece.
This does look really good. It's made out of brown cane sugar, spices, rice vinegar, soy protein.
It sounds delish.
All right. I think I'm gonna like this one.
Me too. I want the whole piece.
Let's not even smell it.
Don't even cut the piece. You give me a whole piece of jerky. This is the whole piece of jerky?
That's all.
This is the whole piece of jerky that I've been craving? I thought it was gonna be a whole thing.
That's why they're broken up in little pieces, but that's how it looks. It smells really good.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. Cheers.
Okay, cheers. That's really good. Wow.
Wow.
This is really good.
Wow.
Right?
I never thought I was a fan of jerky, but this just changed my whole entire mind, perspective, everything.
Wow.
Oh, it's so good.
I think this beat them all.
I think that was so good.
This beat them all.
I even did the thing where I closed my eyes to eat it.
She's been like closing her eyes recently to like eat food, like enjoy it.
Like good food. Like I closed my eyes to really good food. just to remember that taste. And I did it right now. This one takes my heart. Like what do you think was our best?
This was hands down.
And which one do you think was our worst?
The one I didn't like was the banana. The banana.
I think the banana was good.
Yeah, the banana was the only one. But aside from that, like I enjoyed really pretty much all of them. So
that was a really good bunch.
Again, Bunny James, you impressed us. You are gonna fill our bellies.
Yes, you are the snack plug, and we appreciate you.
They really are.
Because I would never go to the store and be like, I'm gonna buy this.
Right. Well,
they gave it to us.
Right. Like, and that's what I love about them. It's like they like show you how to eat. Like, if you're a big snack person, like we are. Like, they show you how to find these amazing brands that are healthy and not bad for you. And it's like, wow, like, I can still snack and not eat all the, like, bad junk and sugar stuff with it. Like, that's pretty impressive, you know? And to know this was all... Hello, don't eat my whole bag. I'm gonna have to hide this. But I am really, really impressed. Like, I cannot wait. I'm just gonna have to buy myself another box because I know this is like you can't even talk. So if you guys are interested in getting a box of Bunny James, use my code STEPHANIEDEPENA for 10% off of your first purchase. And use that link down below and check them out.
Yeah.
They also have an Instagram page. They have a TikTok. So I will link all their stuff in the description below. Amazing brand. And I really give this box a thumbs up. What about you?
Yes, this box, oh my gosh. They took away my jerky everything. My jerky perspective. Like, they changed me.
Right, like that's what I'm saying. You never know what to expect. But honestly, like, okay, you don't like one or two things, that's fine, but like it still makes up. Like, look how big this bag is. Like, I'm gonna have this.
We're gonna have this.
I was gonna say for a while, but then I remembered. I was like,
I'm gonna body this bag.
I'm gonna have to hide this bag. But like, they give you things that like I obviously will be a customer of these brands again because of them.
Right.
So
and they open your taste buds. Like,
right.
If you're like a picky eater and you're just trying to explore more and stop being so picky, this is where you gotta go.
Right. That's true.
I didn't think fruit jerky was gonna be tasting so good.
Right.
Like, oh my gosh. Everything was just so good.
Yeah, so they won us over with this box. So definitely, like I said, check them out. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And if you have any questions, please let us know. Love you guys. Bye.